This is the video doorbell by Wise. This is a hardwired upgraded doorbell. Just remove your old doorbell and wire up this new doorbell in its place. You will be notified anytime someone is at your door, and also you can communicate with them. Comes with an angler for in case you want to angle your doorbell at a certain angle. This is your sensor that you will connect to your bell that is already installed in your home. This will trigger the signal. And of course you got your quick guide and accessories. Get yours today in the TikTok shop below.